Mga mamis, naku, summer na naman! At pagka ganitong summer, I'm sure abala kayo sa pag-iisip kung saan nyo ba i-enroll ang inyong mga kids. Dancing class, cooking class, singing class. Naku, pagka ganitong summer, meron akong i-introduce sa inyo na isang klase ng class kung saan hindi lang ang inyong mga kids ang matututo, kundi pati na rin kayo. Kaya't nandito tayo ngayon sa New York English Language Proficiency Center. Naku, tara na! Nang mahasa naman pati ang aking Ingles. Alright, andito po tayo ngayon sa school ng New York English Language Proficiency Center kung saan tayo po ay naimbitahan para bisitahin ang kanilang eskwelahan. At ngayon, I'm about to take you to a tour para po makita naman natin ang iba't ibang facilities at state-of-the-art A1 facilities ng eskwelahan ito kung saan hindi lang po para sa inyong mga kids, kung sakaling gusto nyo silang bigyan ng summer lessons na mahasa ang kanilang Ingles, kundi pati na rin po sa mga professional na gusto pang mahasa sa pagsasalita ng wikang Ingles. Kaya tara, tingnan po natin yung kanilang facilities. Okay, kung inyong makikita, narito ang ilan sa mga estudyante at kausapin natin ang isa sa kanila. Tawagin natin si Ivana Cablao. Hi, Ivana!
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Alright, you've been here for how many days?
I have been here for 4 days.
Wow, 4 days! How's the progress of your English language and diction?
I can speak English better now.
Do you like the lessons that are being taught here?
Yes.
Do you think you can use it when the class opens for this year?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you very much, Ivana. Okay, ito daw po ay tinatawag na blended learning kasi tayo ay nasa classroom 2. Blended learning siya kasi meron tayong teacher na nasa loob. Kung makikita ninyo, yung pong nakatayo sa likuran at mamaya kakausapin natin siya. Merong computer lesson plan at self-directed learning group na tinatawag dahil kung mapapansin po ninyo, merong mga bata, merong mga teenagers at merong mga professionals na nasa loob. Meaning, mamaya magkakaroon sila ng conversation, magko-consolidate ng mga napag-aralan at mga ideas, kaya tinawag na self-directed learning. Okay, mamaya marami pa tayong pupuntahan at syempre kakausapin natin ang CEO ng New York English Language Proficiency na si Kerry McNeil at ang kanyang partner na managing director nito na si Miss Jovi Cablao. So, abangan niyo po yan. Ngayon naman, katabi ko ang instructor o isa sa mga instructor ng New York English Language Proficiency Center, si Mr. Jong Garcia. Hi, Jong!
Hello, good afternoon.
Alright. I only have a few questions for you. Iba-iba ang age bracket ng iyong estudyante na nakita ko dito. May different treatment ka ba, lalo na sa mga bata?
Yes, you have to be more patient whenever you're talking to the kids, and whenever you're teaching kids, you have to be more polite with them, and you have to be more lively because most of the time the kids are like their patience and their attention is really short.
I love your accent. I'd love to have your accent. Okay, meron din bang madaling matuto at mahirap turuan?
Yes, before we start the class, we do have pre-assessment here, which is our placement test, wherein we check the ability of a person if he can be taught easily and if we need more time for him to teach that person.
Alright, so sige, siguro I'd like to give you this chance na i-invite yung mga viewers natin to check out your school.
Here at the New York English Language Proficiency Center, we're not just going to teach you how to speak English well, but also you're going to have fun with us and you'll enjoy learning English with in a very, very easy way.
So open po ang enrollment sa lahat ng gustong matutong mag-Ingles, mahasa ng Ingles, lalong-lalo na yung gustong mag-grow pa sa kanilang career. Kasi it's very, very important, uulitin ko lang, that you have a very good command in the English language. Lalo na kung ang career po ninyo isa kayong professional. Ako pa rin po si Mommy Chloe na nagsasabing if Jong Garcia can speak English best, sa tahanan naman, Mother knows best. Bye!